certain things, you just hold on. Yeah, you have some little man run with it. Alkaline this Matterhorn. Alkaline not this Matterhorn. Alkaline this yourself and you try to this Vybz Kartel indirectly. You understand? But me just hold it and just say, yo, I just one of them thing there. You see it? Like you have some people say, oh, Alkaline page. Right. Then wanna start a bigger war. Because all when Alkaline attack and I say, Matterhorn, you put soul for that. But you still I say rate you and you see it? So you send two signal. So me just be the bigger person and just say, I know I'm earth strong, make him enjoy it. Because by right, I know me play this.